How do solar systems work? You're paying your electric company without anything to show for it. Imagine if you've been spending $200 for the last 7 years, or $16,800, with nothing to show for it. If you install solar, you pay for your solar financing less than the money you're paying to the electric company. With solar, you will never pay an electric bill ever again. For example, if you spend around $130 monthly and saving around $70 every single month when you install solar, no money down or upfront costs to you. Financing is part of a government incentive to help homeowners go green. You will be swapping one bill for another at a cheaper rate with an end in sight of paying any electric bill. You will produce your own energy, sell the extra to your provider, save money, and help the environment. The government will give you a 26% tax credit on the cost of your solar panels. To make it easier, Enlighten Solar will give you 1 year without any payments for solar or your existing electrical provider. We can design a system with batteries for power on blackouts or hurricane season, so you never lose electricity.